To have a tempo during the winter in Canada is such a blessing. Now you can see the snow. Because of last week there were 2 snowstorms. The snow is all the way here. On this side also, it's all the way here. It's so hard to shovel all this even with the snow blower. So now with this tempo I have to just shovel these 4 feet between the road and the tempo. Still it's so hard. Now it's almost like a 4 feet, 5 feet snow on the side. Let's do it. I have to just make a way for the car to go out and come in. Look at the height of the snow. In some places it's even like a 6 feet.